We'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we have dipped into negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge. We bounced right off the 200 moving average, this green line, currently at the price of $1,719. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we're still approaching to negative MACD territory. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and we're approaching to positive MACD. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD. And my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $160.63, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $164.14, and my stop loss is at $160.01. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $166.39, and that is this range here, and that coincides with previous support levels in the past, since we're below support that now act as our resistance. My sell target is at $161.27, and my stop loss is at $167.03. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 22% chance to climb between 0 to 2%. To the downside has a 56% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%, and a 2% chance to fall between negative 2 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.